Press start.
Hello, I'm Rouge. We will talk about helicopters. A helicopter, sometimes referred to in slang as a chopper or helo, is a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by horizontally spinning rotors. This allows the helicopter to take off and land vertically, to hover, and to fly forward, backward, and laterally. Helicopters were first developed in 1936. It was designed by Igor Sikorsky, was a Russian-American aviation pioneer. The rotating part on top is the large propeller that generates lift. The smallest propeller mounted on tail is the tail rotor. The tail rotor pushes or pulls against the tail to counter the torque effect. They can have several common configurations such as tandem rotors, coaxial rotors, intermeshing rotors, and quadcopters. The inside part of the turbine is the engine that determines the size, function and capability of the helicopter design. Early helicopter designs utilized custom-built engines or rotary engines designed for airplanes, but these were soon replaced by more powerful automobile engines and radial engines. An example of a cold jet helicopter is the Southwest Gin. And an example of the hot tub jet helicopter is the YH-32 Hornet. That's how the helicopter works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.